let's find the derivative of y is equals to 5 minus 2 raised to the fourth power. But before that, we have to consider this if the function of g of x is differentiable at x. And if the function of f is differentiable at g of x, then the opposite function f of j is differentiable at x. In short, we need to apply the formula if we substitute this given statement into this form. So let's find out. First step is to rewrite your equation or to rewrite your function into an exponential form. Ibig sabihin nun, kailangan muna natin i-rewrite ang ating pong given function into an exponential form. Remember that kung wala pong number dito, there is always number 2. So if we rewrite this will become, in this form, this will become 1. So we have here 1 as your numerator and 2 as your denominator. We just copy this given expression instead of the radical expression. After we rewrite that problem or that function, next is to apply the derivative. And to solve for that, we need to find for the first derivative of this given function, we just simply multiply 1/2 outside the parentheses. Remember that we have here 1. 1/2 times 1, that's equals to 1/2. Then next is, of course, to subtract 1/2 by 1. Tatandaan, pag derivative, lagi po tayo nagsusubtract ng 1. And therefore, if we subtract this by 1, we can write the 1 as 1/2 minus 2 over 2. Tandaan, yung 1, we'll write this in this form. And if we subtract that, this will become negative 1/2. Kaya po, ang lumabas is negative 1/2. Next is to find the derivative of your expressions na nasa loob po ng ating pong parentheses. So we need to find for the derivative. Since 5 is a constant, wala po siyang derivative. Simply, we just multiply 4 times negative 2, that is equals to negative 8. Then we subtract 1 doon sa kanyang exponent na 4, that's equals to 4 minus 1, that's equals to 3. And next is to have your partial answer, of course. We have here to multiply 1/2 doon sa kanyang expressions. Kaya lang, bago po yun, kailangan muna natin ibaba yung meron pong negative expression. So itong 5 minus 2x raised to the fourth power, drop down natin. Ang matitira yung 1 and 8 over and negative 8x raised to the third power. Then, pagkatapos natin ibaba yun, so itong expression na to ay binaba natin into a radical form. Tatandaan na yung 4, ito po yun. Yung 2 nandito. Of course, yung 1, if we write this parenthesis, it will become 1, yung kanyang exponent. Now, since the given partial answer can be considered or simplified, so we just simply divide 8 divided by 2, that's equals to 4. And therefore, our final answer, the first derivative is negative 4x cubed over 5 minus 2x raised to the fourth power. Have a nice day.